Why do the heathen rage, and the people murmur in vain? The kings of the earth band themselves, and the princes are assembled together against the Lord and against his Christ. Let us break their bands, and cast their cords from us. But he that dwelleth in the heaven shall laugh, the Lord shall have them in derision. Then shall he speak unto them in his wrath, and vex them in his sore displeasure, saying, Even I have set my king upon Zion, mine holy mountain. I will declare the decree. That is, the Lord hath said unto me, Thou art my son, this day have I begotten thee. Ask of me, and I shall give thee the heathen for thine inheritance, and the ends of the earth for thy possession. Thou shalt crush them with a scepter of iron, and break them in pieces like a potter's vessel. Be wise now, therefore, ye kings. Be learned, ye judges of the earth. Serve the Lord in fear, and rejoice in trembling. Kiss the Son, lest he be angry, and ye perish in the way, when his wrath shall suddenly burn. Blessed are all that trust in him.